Guys, Wakefield just issued an SVR. Wow, oh my god, this is so crazy right now. I don't get it. I don't get it when they tone it, it just literally mutes the audio. Like, I don't even know why. Like, I don't get it. What the heck? Thunderstorm 1 damage. Guys, I'm about to show you something very crazy. I don't think. Look, Mount Holly issued a special weather statement. Look, Mount Holly issued a special weather statement. That's crazy.
Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and
Yes, sir.
This severe thunderstorm will
Right over there.
Montpelier around 6:10 p.m.
Well, that thunderstorm's intensifying. Mount Holly could issue an SVR, obviously.
Glen Ellen around 6:35 p.m. Hanover around 6:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm.
By the way, they issued an SVA.
Johnson Springs, Elmwood, Gilman,
How many
Roslyn
storms?
Hills, Cedar Fork, Oliver, and Hanover Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415. Posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.
See? Listen. I don't get why it does that.
At 5:42 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm near Lake Montesa.
And guys, guess what? Mount Holly issued a special marine warning. Oh my god. Yeah, Mount Holly just already issued a special marine warning. What the heck? Dude, they literally just issued a special marine warning already, right over there. Oh my gosh. What the heck?